Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do Muhammad Khatib's gun collection. Mostly Nerf guns.
I already did it on my channel, but now he wants to steal my idea.
No, he told me.
No, I didn't. I didn't say anything.
He did, right? Okay. First, Muhammad's smallest gun. It's a pistol. It's a
Zombie.
It's a zombie pistol.
Yeah.
I should have this cat in my stupid hat.
Fail. Can you put everything back up there? Stop.
Okay, that's the pistol.
Zombie one. Now what? Wow, now losing my guns for no reason.
Now we have the...
Put it back over there.
Okay. I'm sorry, but I can't find the ammo for it.
For what?
This one.
Okay, just hold the camera. Let's try out this Dino Blaster, the pump shotgun, the Nerf
found one bullet.
strong arm.
I found one bullet
Okay.
for it.
We have a shotgun over there, and we have a sniper. That's the order.
Okay, so here it is. We got this. Muhammad got this from Chuck E. Cheese. We're never going back there. It's so boring.
I know, Dave and Buster's better.
Yeah. Okay, let's see this.
Don't shoot at. Okay, you can shoot at me. Don't shoot it at the face. Oh my God.
See? It sucks. It sucks.
Sucks.
Okay, that was the Dino Blaster. Take a
Dino.
look at it.
Yeah. Whatever.
Next.
Now what are you looking for?
Oh, this gun was inside the music video. Put in the comments, what do you think this is?
It's
The,
pump shotgun.
this has no ammo.
Yeah, I got it from my friend. It's not real if you're just calling it to police right now.
Looks like
It looks real.
it makes some.
Hold on, let me show it to the camera. Give me. Give me.
Have a look at it. I'll hold it.
Good. Okay, now give it to me. If you want to look at it again, make sure to not call the cops, because this is fake. Look, get the other one.
Next, the other Nerf strong arm. So, I don't think this.
It's really weak. I think it's jammed or something. I don't know. No, you have to pull the trigger.
It goes really fast.
No, you have to. Okay, hold on. You have look there. Look at the orange part where the bullet is. That's it. No, turn it. Yeah, better. You already.
It goes really fast.
Oh,
Then you
what
go,
the-
turn it by itself.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get the bullet. I'll get it. I got
Now
it.
take a look at it.
It's like this was my first gun that I ever got. It's like so old. I got like 2017, 16.
Next,
The Mega.
Huh?
Mega.
the Nerf Mega Shotgun. It's a tack.
It looks like a tack. It's not a tack. It looks like a tack.
Yeah, we just called it. It looks like a...
Let me show it.
I'm gonna show them the ammo.
The ammo looks like that.
It's fat.
It kind of looks like the shotgun ammo, the shotgun ammo from Fortnite a little bit. Shoot it. Not at the mirror. Okay.
That goes. That's fast. It's hard.
It's really hard.
Take a little look at it. Do you know how to put slow motion on this for this part?
No, I don't.
I was doing slow motion like these up there.
I'll try. Or maybe, I don't know. I don't know how.
Yep, I can do it again.
know how. Hold the camera. I know how. I can do it. I can do it.
I already did it.
Okay, hold the camera.
I'll do it.
I will show them. What do you want me to do? Shoot at the on top?
Shoot at me.
Are you sure?
No. Shoot at the cat in the hat.
Cat in the hat?
Yeah. Let's see. Headshot. That was really fast. What the heck are you blowing on it? Okay, here's the bullet. Right there. Last but not least. This is
The best one yet, sniper.
not the best one.
Wait, hold on. Can I put the camera? Okay,
This-
no. They can see through. Wait.
Listen.
From this side, can you? Yeah. Wait. Hold on.
Can they see?
Yep. Good. Yeah.
That's the inside of it. Pretty cool.
Yeah, you could aim.
Okay, get the ammo for it.
The ammo for it? Okay. Just hold the camera for a second. Okay, never mind. I got it. It's just the same one as all of them. Except for the mega. No, you don't put it in like that. You hold on. Hold the camera. So how you have to put the ammo is, if you take this, pull it back, and then this spot you put it in,
Can I aim?
and then hold on. No, I'm gonna do it.
Can I go do it?
Where do I put it at?
Not at me. Does it hurt?
I'm doing it kind of. Hold on. Move.
Oh.
Did you get it on camera?
Yep, I got it.
And it could also
Okay.
take this off. If
I know.
You could take the scope off if you want to.
It looks like it looks like a heavy AR. The purple one.
Oh, also,
I wanna go.
it came with this.
Yeah.
It came with this so you could like make it longer,
Yeah.
make it like big taller.
Okay.
So you
Mama,
get,
can I do
like-
it?
Hold on a second. Hold on. I'm gonna try to put this on. This way.
Come on.
I don't. Okay.
I'm gonna leave it.
I got it on. Now you can put it on this side or this side. I don't know. Or this. Yeah, I don't know how, but
Doesn't matter.
it doesn't matter.
Okay. So let's shoot one gun
Shoot it?
at them.
Shoot it. I already shoot it.
Mhm. Okay, so we're gonna shoot it at glass.
Where's the glass?
Right there.
Okay.
See what?
Ready?
Yeah. See what happens.
If it cracks, I'm not gonna get it right. I'm gonna blame it on you. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god! Okay, oh my god, that's bad. Oh shoot. Okay, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.
You're shattered. Okay, like and comment which one did you like the most.
Oh my god, this is bad. This is bad.
Look at Muhammad.
This is bad.
Okay, subscribe and like if you are new, and peace.